Nothing.
Hey! Come right there! Inside! Hey! Lock that door! Lock it! Close it! Everybody, out! Sit down! Forget that! Sit down! Take it! Put it in your pocket! Forget it! Put the Bible inside! Come on, sit down! Sit down, my friend! Now move! Move, all of you! What is happening here? Everybody move inside! You're still there?
Your Majesty, please. I beg you. Let me go out there and take the baby. I can look for someone to take care of her, please.
Eunice, go into your room if you have nothing else to do.
Your Majesty, you're talking about your daughter's child here, your own grandchild. Please.
I have no daughter. I have no daughter, and get that into that skull of yours. No daughter. Now don't get me angry.
Please, Your Majesty, please. I beg you.
You didn't hear me?
Please.
What is going on here?
The baby out there is Jane's baby. His Majesty threw her out.
Jane's baby? Where is she?
She's outside the compound.
Eunice? What are you talking about? I did not see any baby out there.
You did not see any baby at the gate?
No.
What?
Where is the baby?
Mazi! Mazi! Mazi!
My queen! He dropped the baby here. This is her doll. He dropped the baby here.
Hey. Mazi, where is the baby? You just told me that His Majesty dropped the baby there. Yes. So where is the baby?
No, make we ask this cook. Where you carrying the baby go?
You're an idiot.
You're an idiot. Now you be idiot. See, Madam Lolo, he asked me to go inside there, lock the gate. Then I consider I go to do my Liverpool and Chelsea. Why go tell me 50 million? Now you are an idiot. You did this at you did this at will you? I go kill you. Then they talk of the baby. You won't fight me. You just like get power. Go find the baby, come on. Go find the baby, come.
Williams, the baby is missing. That baby is no longer out there. It's not there.
How is that any business of mine?
Is that what you said? I'm telling you, your grandchild is missing. I said, what is that business of yours? It is your business. It is your blood.
Now listen. told you, and anybody that bothered to listen, I do not want Jane or anything of Jane inside this palace. Didn't I?
Oh my God. You just opened your mouth to say that. Your daughter brought her child for me to take care of the baby for her. All I could do is for you to throw your own blood out there. How could you be so wicked and insensitive? You're a wicked man. You're a wicked. You're a wicked man. You're callous and mean. Will I see a wicked man? God will judge you for the rest of your life. Will I so wicked? Will I so mean? Will I so wicked? You're mean. You're a mean man. Your own blood, your own child. Your grandchild. Like everywhere you go, come back here. Where are you going?
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offenses, asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the care that you showed me? And the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the care that you showed me? And the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you? It's like I'm lost, I don't get it anymore. Someone tell me what's going on. It feels like I am getting drunk.
Hello? Yes. The only recent picture she has is the one I took her in her infancy. I don't have any other one. DPO, please help me. Do everything you can to find the baby. I'm counting on you. Do everything. Okay. Thank you very much.
Mom? Which baby are we talking about here?
Yes.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offenses, asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the care that you showed me?
Hello? DPO? Yes? Any luck? Ah, God. God, my God, my God.
How could father do this? How could he do this?
I don't just understand. He overreacted. There should be no grudge against the innocent child. Huh?
Since this Jane saga started in this house, you all can bear me witness that your father has not been doing anything right. He has not been thinking straight. He has not been doing anything right. I've been taking everything from him. All the humiliations, all the insults, all the negligence. But you see, one thing I will not take is toying with my grandchild. I swear by the gods of this land, if anything should happen to that innocent child, I don't know what will happen to Williams Owakwe.
My queen, calm down. Calm down. Let's allow the gods to decide this issue. Please.
What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the care that you showed me? and the love that we share. What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the care that you showed me and the love that we share? What happened to you? What happened to you? It's like I'm lost, I don't get it anymore. Someone tell me what's going on. It feels like I am getting drowned. You are once a loving father, all the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love, then you turn your back on me. What happened to you?
Officer, don't say that again. How? When? Where? No. It's not the little child.
We have actually gone to the scene of the accident and see some traces of the blood on the road. How can we be so careless on the children? What color of dress was the child wearing?
Officer, she was wearing a black pants and a red dress.
That means it was the child because she died on the spot.
No! No! It is enough! It has been confirmed by the police that I lost my grandchild. No!
Confirmed what? Confirmed what? What? These officers came with the news that a certain car ran over a child this morning, not far from this house. And the child died instantly.
Williams, come here. Give me my child. Give me my child. Just not provide my child. Kill me, Williams. Kill me. Kill me.
Are you out of your senses?
Kill me too. Kill me.
Is this woman out of her senses?
Kill me. Williams, kill me. Kill me. Williams, kill me. Kill me. Kill me the way you killed my child.
Mom, why are you crying? What exactly is going on here?
Jane, it's nothing.
How can you say it's nothing? Mom is crying. There are policemen in our compound. What is it?
Dad threw your daughter out of the house and I don't know what these officers are talking about.
Dad did what? Which daughter are you talking about? My child? What nonsense? Auntie Eunice, where is the child I left in your care? What madness is this? Where is the child I left in your care? Where is my child? What is wrong with you people? Where is my baby?
Let's go to the scene of the accident.
What accident? What are you people talking about? What are you talking about? Oh my God! Oh. No. Let us go! Let's go!
My offense is asking to be with the one I love, then you turn your back on me.
Who is that? Who is that?
What happened to you? Papa,
You know what's up? Who is that?
See your boys are mosquito. Now let not stay one place. Piap, you walk out like
to the care that you show me and the love that we share. What happened to you? What happened to you?
this Arsenal. Go punish you now. See the way go cut my game. I don't lose 30 million now. Hey.
Someone tell me what's going on. It feels like I am getting drowned. You are once a loving father, all the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My defenses, asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you?
Mazi.
To the care that you show me and the love that we share. What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the care that
What
you show?
happened to that child?
Oga Majesty, I be there the small kingdom where you built for me. They think of my life, oh. Now I go hear noise, big noise. Now I go peep. As I dey peep, I can see people gather. They cry. Now I can see one small pikin like this wey resemble that junior lolo pikin. He dey for ground, blood dey gush from his body, cover everywhere. As I look am, all of them dey cry. Hey, I no wan talk because make you no come vex sack me for this job wey still dey sweet me. So now I come look again, they cry. Me sef I begin join them cry. If you see me, you think say na that thing dey make me cry, oh. But the 30 million wey Arsenal just cut for the game wey I play.
Shut up!
Yes, sir.
Shut up! What did I say?
You said I should shut up.
Stop talking, balderdash. Listen. In a moment of anger, I took that child and put her outside the gate. All you did was bang the gate against her. You should have...
Oga Majesty, this is no reach to take verse again now. Eh? You know, say two of them, they're still young. They're young. They fit just born another pikin. Oga Majesty, so may you know verse. They go born again.
Mazi,
Oga Majesty.
go back to your duty post now.
They tell me father's love is very strong for the daughter. And they tell me fathers can do anything for their daughter. Allow me to be with the one I love.
This is the scene of the accident. You can see the blood of the innocent child.
Where is the body of the dead child?
Some people took the body away. As we can speak now, police did not see them.
Yes, what did you do? What did this innocent child ever do to you? What did you do? What did you do? No, I can't take it. What really happened?
Yes. There was an accident here this morning. So if I may ask, who are you people?
It's a little girl. I'm her grandmother. She's her mother.
Yes.
A little girl?
Yes.
What color of clothes was she putting on?
She was putting on a red top and a black pants.
A red top
and a black pants.
Yes.
And that was the child that was here this morning.
Why this now? Why now? Just kill me! Just kill me! Kill me! So kill me!
Mommy.
I have already contacted the police commissioner, and he assured me that his boys are on top of the situation. The
body of the dead child at least will be brought home for proper burial. This is what happens when a simple instruction, simple plea is not adhered to. This happened because you could not listen to your father.
Excuse me, listen to who? Body of who? Which dead child? Body of who? Huh? Whose body? What's he talking about? Whose body? Body of who? Miracle.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you? Papa, what happened to the way that you showed me? And the love that we share. What happened to you? What happened to you? Daddy, what happened to the way that you showed me? And the love that we share.
You can't continue like this. It's not your fault. Oh, I know it's difficult, but you just have to put yourself there. The investigation says that our daughter Miracle was killed by a car. Probably she walked away from the gate, just the way children do, strolling, and she met her untimely death. It's not your fault, because if that's what your father wants, then so be it.
That is my problem. That is a question I've not gotten an answer from. Why would my father do this to me? What wrong have I done to him? I mean, this is the worst thing he has ever done to me. This is it. What did I do to deserve this? If I knew this was going to happen, I wouldn't have taken my child to that palace. I wouldn't have. I would have traveled with her to Enugu. At least by now she would have been with me. So this is how I lost my child. This is it. It's all my fault. It's my fault. It's my fault.
Remember, she's our child. I'm also in pain. It's not your fault.
I can't take this. I can't take this. I can't take this. I can't. I can't take this.
Come, Chameleon, where did you carry my wife? Come here, get it!
Where? Hey, what's that?
Where did you carry my wife?
Always shaking my hand.
Don't worry, when my videos come, straight to the altar. See yourself. Why you don't tell me that I come book it for the video? Chameleon. Don't worry, when my videos come, only you go come in to make a marriage. Oh, who be that? Who be that? Come, you know who did that? You don't get there. Oh, you for talk now? You for call your name?
Good sir. Please, is Jane in?
Jane, no, Jane not there. But Oga Majesty and Madam Lolo, they're inside.
Oh, okay. Let me see the Lolo then.
Okay. Wow.
Are you serious?
Greetings, Your Majesty. My friends. Greetings. Your Majesty, I came to collect Jane's phone number. Okay. My phone went missing, so there was no way I could reach her. And it is important that I need to speak with her.
I hope all is well.
Yes, Your Majesty. It's about her youth service.
I saw her call up later and where she was posted to. So it's very important for her to go and pick it up because there's no more time.
What was that you just said? Yes.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Call up letter? Jane? And youth service? Come on. Before one does youth service, I mean, oh, this is amazing. I starved her of funds and then asked the VC to expel her from school. Yes, I did that. Did she graduate?
Yes.
Youth service? What about, yes, housemanship?
Your Majesty, she did her housemanship for 1 year at the Federal Medical Center. Jane came out with the best result from her department. And Michael was the reason behind all that. Michael went to plead with the VC not to eject Jane from school. And he went ahead and seen her through her remaining academic studies.
That, you see, Michael read mechanical engineering. The workshop was established to help young graduates fix themselves into something, especially the mechanical engineers. The fact is, you never allowed that young man or Jane explain better to you. That young man is a good man and he has a great future. He's not a roadside mechanic as everyone thinks he is. Dad, he was a first-class student and a master's degree holder. But you never allowed Jane explained. Yes.
So, that young man stood by my daughter. In spite of everything I did to forestall that. Now, this, the news of her call-up. With that, how is she going to manage the fact that her daughter is dead? How?
What? Jane's daughter? Dead? I need to look for Jane as soon as possible. Your Majesty, please. I need her contact.
My dear, that was how we saw it. The police are still looking for them.
How can you tell me you're taking a little girl to the hospital and end up dropping her on Westby? Doesn't make any sense.
Just hold on, Chika. You mean that little girl that a car killed was found beside the Westby? Do
you think I'm joking?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
As I'm speaking to you, her body is still lying there.
The police are looking for those that dumped her there instead of taking the poor girl to the mortuary.
Like, the case is becoming more hotter.
Let me tell you the breaking news. The dead child belongs to the almighty King William's daughter, Princess Jane.
Tell me something. But how come the child left the house without nobody's care?
If you ask my sister, who will I ask?
I'm also confused right now, I'm telling you.
What type of carelessness is this?
Hey, I'm also confused though, like serious.
So this is how Princess Jane lose her child after 9 months?
You've seen it now. Like, it's very painful. I really feel for her. You've seen it now.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you?
Mom, you all cannot continue like this. Dad may have made a grievous mistake. After all, I wasn't even supporting Jane and Michael because I saw where Dad was coming from. But there's one evil happening nowadays, that children cannot listen to their parents. Huh? Finish school before getting a boyfriend or a husband. Ijuraju. Now we have lost the baby. Should we all now die because of it?
The question is, how is Jane, your little sister, going to cope with all this? Her emotions, her health. The death of her child. It's like an open wound to every mother. It never heals.
Mom, she will cope. The Lord who brought miracle will do another miracle. But Dad, I think you should call Michael and Jane and console with them. Losing a baby is not easy, no matter what matter is involved.
You are once a loving father. All the love and care you gave me. What happened to you? What happened to you? My offense is asking to be with the one I love. Then you turn your back on me. What happened to you? What happened to you?
Oh, my home, when shall I see my home? Oh, when shall I see my native land? I shall never forget my home.
Your Majesty. Now, you know, so when you go party, no club, when you go club, they go start with blues. When they start with blues, then they will first sing out, oh my, okay, I love you. When I win my Williams, I go buy Rolls Royce for you. Then from there, they will go up small. Go say, baby, please give me, all day. I want to love you. I want to love you. Okay, so now to Michael Jackson. Sometimes when they call see some kind old people like Oga Majesty, they call go Igbo. Then you can't go Robo. Hey, come on. Just in Naija.
Master, will you stop this madness? Stop this rubbish. Are you not aware we have issues in this palace? And here you are doing rubbish. If you have 1 million on your bed, and probably that is why you are here to make noise, I suggest you pack up and leave the palace.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you saying I suggest, because you be small majesty, you no get power to take back me. Say make I come out. Now your majesty get that kind of power. Now employ me come here. But when they talk of 1 million is small thing. Make I show you. And they talk of 25 million, they talk of 1 million. 25 million within 1 week I go win now. No Arsenal, no man you go fit cut down. Make I tell you. And when I win now, hey, my okay already. But not be that one carry me come here. Wetin carry me come here now be say miracle dey. Oga Majesty. Big miracle dey happen for outside. Miracle dey happen, make we dey go. We go start with Oga Majesty, followed by Madam Lolo, then Deputy Majesty, the Small Majesty, this Agamaliza, no, War Gecko. Oh yeah, where could they go? Oga Majesty, you still sit down? The miracle go disappear. Oh yeah, hallelujah, turn. Oh my home again, oh my home again. When shall I see my home? Oh yeah, hallelujah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. My father loves me, he loves me well. I say he cared for me, he loved me well. Which can love be this? Oh yeah, follow. Love is too
Advance of the recompense.
Which can love be this? You love me, you love me so tight. You love me so tight. What make me come letting go? Whether this love not true, whether not fake, whether this love not genuine, whether not fraud.
Mama, yes, your dog. See this one. See this one where they cook so sand and they fool your rice. Oh, yeah, come and follow. If I change my mind. Sir, they cook rice. If you talk anyhow, I will arrest you.
And they tell me fathers can do anything for their daughter. Allow me to be with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah,
Let's go and see the miracle that God has performed. When we go see the miracle, we go there for God perform. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Attention! Miracle don't come.
Whether not fake, whether this love not genuine, whether not fraud. Oh yeah, oh yeah. They tell me father's love is very strong for the daughter, and they tell me fathers can do anything for their daughter. Allow me to be with you one another.
What happened?
Allow me to be with
I was on my way to the palace.
father's love is very strong for the daughter, and they tell me fathers can do anything for their daughter. Allow me to be with you one another. Allow me to be with you one another. So ya can open my door. Oh yeah, so ya can open my door. Oh yeah.
So why didn't you return the baby?
Return her to where? To a place where she's been rejected? I knew Jane and Michael were out of town and I couldn't reach them because I lost my phone. So I had to keep the baby with me. Besides, my elder sister put to bed and she needed my attention. I had to go with the baby.
At least you should have let us know you had the baby. Do you know the trauma this has caused the entire family?
And I am to be blamed here?
No.
No. No, my dear, no. No. Why do I have this kind of temperament? Is my blood too hot? Am I too temperamental? Look at. Edochie.
Your Majesty.
Thank you very much. You will not put thank you inside your pocket. Huh? You will be adequately rewarded. Thank you.
Your Majesty, the only reward you can give to me right now is to give Jane and Michael your blessings. Your Majesty, those two have really suffered. I mean, we should allow two adults to make their own decisions. Your Majesty, I know you love Jane so much, and Jane loves you too, despite everything. She tells me how much she misses you. Please, Your Majesty, please, give them your blessings. Please.
Can I go?
Yes, Father.
You have your phone now? Call Jane immediately. Tell her I want to see her as soon as possible. Get up. Get up.
Thank you. Thank you.
You love me Saturday, that make me come to wonder. You love me Saturday, what make me come to think whether this love not true, whether not fake, whether this love not genuine, whether not fraud.
She's very playful. Yeah?
My people, I thank everyone. There was war. Once there was war between the father and the daughter. But today there is peace. Our child is back. The child of peace. This child has brought back peace to this royal family. Yeah, take. I thank everyone that did one thing or the other to facilitate the bringing back of this child, especially back to this royal family, particularly you, Edochie. Your reward will be bounteous. Michael, I wasn't actually against your marrying my daughter, in a manner of speaking. I was just particular that she should not abandon her studies, and that she doesn't begin to have a divided attention.
understand, Your Majesty.
Yes.
Yeah, good to know.
Igwe, I understand perfectly well, sir. I want to apologize. If it looked as if we disobeyed you, we are sorry. It's just that we love each other so much. I really don't know if that is wrong. We love each other.
I also want to use this medium and apologize if I did anything wrong to you, Father. I am deeply sorry. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. And secondly, Dad, I did not disappoint you. I came out with first class.
That's my daughter. That's my daughter. You have made this man here proud. You've made all of us proud. The VC already told me about it all, including the noble role played by our son Michael here. Michael became both a lover and a good father. Thank you very much. And Michael, that mechanical engineering workshop you have, where you help mechanical engineering graduates, we have decided to make it more secure. The land on which that workshop is situated, we will give you. And we will make the papers in your name.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Beyond that, we are going to make that workshop big, a bigger place, a place that everybody will get to hear about.
Oh, thank you so much, Father.
Because that's your dream. It's your dream. And it's a noble one.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Father.
And now to the very, very reason we are here. Two families are here, the family of Michael and this royal family. There is something both families are looking forward to. And that's the union between our daughter here and our son. And that's their traditional marriage. Their traditional marriage is going to be one that will be the talk of everyone around and beyond. And I will personally ensure that that traditional marriage is something that will be celebrated by one and celebrated by all.